Yo guys, quick walkthrough on how to fix your Apple Magic Keyboard or Smart Keyboard when it's acting up with your iPad. First thing first, keep it simple. Check that connector on the back of your iPad. Make sure it's clean. Grab a cotton cloth and wipe out any dust or junk sitting there. Now detach that Magic Keyboard or Smart Keyboard and give that charging connector a good clean. If you're using an external or Bluetooth keyboard, double check it's actually connected. If it ain't, go ahead and connect it up. Pop open the Settings app on your iPad, hit Bluetooth, and see if the keyboard's linked up. If it's paired but still trippin', unpair it and pair again. Now if certain keys like U, O, or K are acting funky, here's another fix. Sometimes Assistive Touch messes things up. Open up Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, then hit Touch, and go to Assistive Touch. Flip that toggle off and test your keyboard again. Still stuck? Time to hard reboot. To force restart your iPad, real quick press and release the volume up, then the volume down. After that, press and hold the power button till you see that Apple logo pop up on the screen. If the issue's still hanging around, last shot before calling in backup. Reset all iPad settings. Don't worry, this won't wipe your media files, contacts, or messages. Open Settings again, scroll to General, then head down to Transfer or Reset iPad. Tap Reset, choose Reset All Settings, type in your iPad passcode, and punch in your Apple ID password to confirm. That's it. If none of this worked, it's time to call on Apple support. You can book an appointment, hit Aim Up Online, or just call the crew straight up. Hope this breakdown helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide videos coming your way.